Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor with Iqra. I hope my all viewers are fine and they enjoy day of life. If you are new to my channel or you like my video, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss another amazing video like this one. In today's video, I will show you the most beautiful and trendy collections of birthday cake decorating ideas in different styles, colors combinations and sizes. All the designs are very unique and trendy, and I am sure you will get beautiful and amazing new cake decorating ideas from this video. So please guys, watch this video till the end. So you don't miss another amazing designs. If you like any design, then please take screenshot of. And if you want to see more cake design video, you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are all very easy to make and absolutely delicious. They are all eye-catchy cake decorating ideas. Please guys subscribe to my channel. If you like any design or if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope friends you like my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. Which one is best? Share your suggestion. Please comment, like and share. I hope friends you like my video. Thank you so much everyone. Please enjoy and watching this video till the end. And I will see you tomorrow inshallah with the new video. Please take care of yourself and the people around you.